अभी पहुँचे? कितना टाइम हुआ?
10 मिनट।
10 मिनट। So morning guys, so this is gonna be our first halt for the day. We have stopped here for breakfast. Couldn't get an early start. We started quite late at around 8:30, and we had to stop at Anjur Fata to collect some tires. And there is something new about this ride. A Scorpio is gonna join us. So this is gonna serve as a backup vehicle. Our bikes parked right behind me, and that's a Scorpio that will be following us all the way to Leh Ladakh. We have stopped here for a quick breakfast, and I think we are most probably gonna skip lunch because we are already late and we have a lot of distance to cover. Plan is to reach Udaipur by evening. So guys, that's Nishant, my ride partner for Leh Ladakh, and that's the driver of the Scorpio. क्या मंगाया है भाई?
कीमा पाव।
अच्छा, so Nishant is gonna have keema pav and we both are gonna have misal pav. कैसा है मिसल पाव? चलो चलो. So I'm very hungry, so let me try and taste this. हमने काफ़ी लेट स्टार्ट किया ना, काफ़ी लेट हो गया हमको निकलते हुए. We left around 8:30 and we had to stop at
2 hours beyond.
Yeah, so we had to stop at Anjur Fata to collect the tires. That only added to the delay, and the roads were also pretty fucked up. We could only manage like 100 kilometers, right?
Yeah, we'll manage, like we'll cover up like by dinner. For a dinner we'll be in Udaipur. For sure.
Cool.
We'll ride.
So Nishant is pretty confident that we'll be covering all the distance to Udaipur by dinner. So he's saying that we'll be having dinner at Udaipur. Sorry?
By 10:30.
10:30. Yeah. So the plan is to reach Udaipur by 10:30. Well, let's see. उससे पहला let me finish this misal pav. So hi again. We have just crossed Surat. Looks like we have some technical snag here. Nishant's engine seems to be leaking a bit. Nishant, क्या हो गया?
Engine oil leak हो रहा है, so I'm just refilling it.
So he's just topping it up a bit, just to make sure that the engine doesn't overheat. Like, because we have a lot of riding in the hot sun to do, we just don't want to take any risks. ज़्यादा मत डालना, फिर इसका गैस्केट्स वगैरह खराब हो जाएगा ऑयल के प्रेशर से. उदयपुर पहुँचते पहुँचते 12 बज जाएगा ना अपने को, आराम से. The problem is we started very late. We started about 4 or 5 hours behind schedule. The actual plan was to start around 4, but we couldn't leave before like 8:30 a.m. and we had to unfortunately take the other stretch. We had to stop at Anjur Fata and take the Bhiwandi wala road. So that cost us a lot of time, and so it is already 3:30 now and we have barely crossed Surat. We still have about 500 kilometers left, and I don't think we'll be able to make it to Udaipur before midnight at least. So stay tuned. कभी पहुँचे? कितना टाइम हुआ?
10 मिनट।
10 मिनट।
हमने कॉल किया था।
हाँ, मैं इधर रुका था लुनावड़ा में।
हाँ,
लुनावड़ा में रुका, फिर आप लोग को सोचा मैं
मला पण पुसायची आहे. बंद कर. माझी पण पुसायची. ओके.
गंदा हो जाता है ना पूरा फटाफट।
अरे वो
उधर गंदा हुआ था ना।
वो जो बारिश लगी थी तो बीच में,
हाँ हाँ, राइट राइट।
वो पानी से गंदा हुआ, वो अब भी समझेगा।
हाँ, और अभी कितना किलोमीटर्स बाकी है? 200?
200 में से 175 करना है. What we'll do is
हाँ हाँ,
we'll wait at मोडासा.
ओके
We'll have something.
ओके।
क्योंकि अभी अपन जहाँ थे
हाँ हाँ,
वहाँ से एग्जैक्ट मोडासा इज हाफ पॉइंट,
ओके
क्योंकि 270 किलोमीटर अपने को जाना था.
राइट,
सो मोडासा इज एग्जैक्टली हाफ पॉइंट.
ओके।
तो
सो विल स्टॉप देयर एंड हैव समथिंग।
we'll have
अच्छा
something. And again we'll have such kind of last stretch.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके फाइन।
सो बाय एक बार डिनर किया रहेगा ना,
हाँ।
उसके बाद 1 बजे भी पहुंचे तो भी क्या है, सिर्फ जाके सोना है.
राइट
विल टेक अ बाथ एंड विल स्लीप. सो कल
Cool,
जब भी उठेंगे सीधा
निकल जाने
मुंह
का।
धोने का और निकलने का.
Cool.
साला ब्रश करना है.
चला बस ते घेता येईल का?
नाही ब्रश आणलाय कुठेतरी टाकलंय मी, आणलाय ब्रश आणलाय. आप भी सीधे जैसे ही आएगा.
हाय निशान।
गुड नाइट. बाय.
हाय दिनेश जी, हाउ आर यू? So guys, we are calling it a day. We rode for about 747 kilometers. We started from Mumbai at around 8:30, right? Nishan? We started at 8:30.
आपके वजह से लेट हुआ, आपको नहाना.
या मैं 2 दिन से नहाया ही नहीं था, तो आज तो नहाना ही था. तो एक्चुअली 8:30 बजे हम निकले थे एंड इट टुक अबाउट 17 hours to reach this place. We are somewhere in Rajasthan, like 70 kilometers short, right? Actually Udaipur का plan था. We were planning to hit Udaipur 60 kilometers. Okay, so we are like 60 kilometers short of Udaipur. So instead of riding in the night, we thought of resting a while and starting early.
होप सो.
Hopefully, yeah. बिकॉज एक्चुअली कल भी बराबर सोया नहीं था हम लोग ने. खाली 2 घंटा सोया था मैं और निशांत. तो इसलिए आज पता नहीं सोने के बाद कब उठूँगा. ये काका तो अभी सो जाएंगे अभी सीधा. आँख बंद करेंगे तो बाद में उठेंगे नहीं. चलो, गुड नाइट. सो दैट्स वेयर आवर व्हीकल्स आर पार्क्ड. अबाउट 5 people joining us in Delhi who will be joining us in this car. So currently the car is all the luggage of those people, and the Scorpio will also serve as a backup vehicle and will carry spares and luggage for us. So as you can see, we have been traveling quite light. Nishan has not even mounted the Ladakh carrier on his bike. I for one got it mounted, but there was hardly any luggage to carry. Yeah, so we are at a beautiful dhaba, a very peaceful dhaba with the sounds of trucks and vehicles for a lullaby. Chalo, see you guys. We're gonna go for an early start tomorrow. So time to sleep. Bye. Good morning, friends. It's already 5:30. Nishan's engine has got some problem. It's leaking oil, so he's gonna be leaving a bit early. Probably stop at some garage and get it checked. He might also need to top up the engine oil a bit. Dinesh ji has already started his engine. He's revving it up now. All set, bro. चलते 10 मिनट में. हो गया, मेरा ऑलमोस्ट चार्ज हो गया है. निकलते हैं इनके पीछे पीछे.
चले.
आप रास्ते में रुकेंगे ना?
मैं खींचूंगा, आप अपना खींचो.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
सब लोग अपना अपना खींचो.
फिर कहीं मिलने वाला है क्या हम लोग रास्ते में?
जयपुर.
जयपुर.
तब तक खींचो अपना अपना, रास्ते में दिखे तो भी निकल जाना।
ओके,
Unless and until अगर उठा नहीं तो
ठीक है, चलेगा।
चलो।
ज़्यादा लीक हो रहा है क्या? Everyone, the time is about 5 a.m. and we are just leaving Gurugram. So today is going to be a very hell of a day, another hell of a day. We are planning to hit Narkanda. So we are going to be hitting Chandigarh, and from Chandigarh to Narkanda probably. So right now we are headed to IIT Delhi, where the other guys are waiting for us. It's like 30 kilometers. So morning everyone. So we are right now at IIT Delhi. It's 11 a.m. right now and we are all set to leave. We have a big group of guys joining us from Delhi. So our bikes are all loaded up. Our target today is to ride to Chandigarh and then take the Shimla route. If time permits, we'll also be trying to ride to Narkanda. But right now, since it's already 11, I think Narkanda will be quite difficult and we might stay put at Shimla for today and then head to Narkanda maybe tomorrow. So let's go meet the crew. Hi man, all set?
All set bro.
So this is
Kashish.
Kashish. He is riding his Avenger and Rashmi is riding Pillion. So all set, geared up. And that is Nishant. So Nishant is our ride coordinator.
Hi.
So all set, Nishant. That's Kashish's mom. And this is Pratima.
Hi.
Hi. And that is tell your names. That is Aarti. Ashwini. Amruta, okay.
Amit.
Amit. Amaya, okay. You can call him Amaya. And
This is Amit.
and that's our driver Dinesh Bhaiya. So all set. So where are we heading guys? So where are we headed? Chandigarh. Yeah. So we are going to be heading to Chandigarh today, and if possible to Shimla, and for time permits we'll be heading to Narkanda. But since it's already 11, I don't think we'll be able to reach Narkanda.
जाएंगे
Chalo Narkanda. Look at the motivation. Look at the confidence. Chalo. All set, Nishant?
All set. अरे मेरा एक कार्ड निकल गया अभी
अंदर देखो अंदर. And that's my bike. It's pretty loaded up. Pretty excited, pretty nervous as well. It's gonna be my first time riding on the mountains. And Nishant is pretty furious. Some last minute confusion. So this is what I've done. I've loaded up all the luggage and wrapped it with tarpaulin. So that's gonna make it waterproof. And it's not as heavy as it looks, because my saddlebags are pretty much empty. Just some light fluffy stuff. So that's why it looks so bulky. And yeah, I think the liners and stuff, the woolen liners.
छोटा सा बॉक्स दिया था लेकिन काम करने वाला जब आप पहला गाड़ी का लगाने गए थे.
So I guess that's it for now. We're gonna be starting right away. गाड़ी आ गया यहाँ पे, so I'll have to move the bike. 1 second. See you soon.